Hello, Professor. This is my assignment 2, based on Part A and Part B. For the Part A, I use sklearn decision tree classifier to actually make the attribute. So technically, these are information about value inside the, the index. So the first thing is the temperature, and the second index is the weather, 0 for sunny, 1 for rainy, and the last one for the wind. 0 is calm, 1 is windy, right? So I have technically it's three rows and 20 columns, because I cannot put them horizontal. No, I mean I cannot put them vertically, so I put them horizontally. So this is 20 columns and 3 rows, and these are the answer. So technically the answer, which mean the label, it's 1 for play and 1 for cancel. So the thing is, I collect the data and then I trained it, and then after I train it, I also included like extra new unseen data, which means 24 degree, um, the 24 temperature, and 1 for the weather, 1 for wind, and 19 as well, along with the 29. That I predict the data, so I'm gonna print it. So what I get in prediction for the new label is 111. So technically, it means play. So the assignment is saying we want to play out of some weather condition at raining, windy, appropriate from playing. There's a few info. So test the model over 3 new unseen samples, see if it works properly or not. So I have tested here based on the 20 collected data included with the 3 new unseen data. So after I tested, the output is 111, which means they want to play, right? So it's actually a good answer. And for part B, create the CSV file with at least 3 columns and 30 rows for COVID-19. So here is the data I have created. So technically, I have symptom 1, symptom 2, and symptom 3 with the status, right? I have made another sheet here that explain what is symptom 2, 1, 2, 3, and the status mean. So for symptom 1, it means fever. 0 is no, that means the patient has no fever, and 1 is yes. For the symptom 2, sore throat. This one is sore throat. 0 is no, the same as for 1, which means yes. Symptom 3, shortness breath, is 0, is no, 1 is yes, and a status, which means positive. If the person positive, it's going to be 1, which means yes. 0 means negative. And here is the data. As you can see, with 30 rows. And then for the part B, I use pretty much library included CSV. Well, the reason I use the CSV file because it can custom. It has some sort of things to custom the output, and the thing that I want is okay. I'm going to talk about it a little bit shortly. So the second thing is sklearn tree. This one, of course, we cannot miss it. The second thing is sklearn model selection, which means trend test list, and the metric, which means accuracy score. And then I have created 2 arrays here, and then I read the COVID CS file with the reader. The reason, like I said, the reason I use the CSV file because custom output, which means this one is I skip the header, right? And then I loop through it and then I add the data into the attribute and the answer, which also call the feature and labels. Um, and then say I split, so I use 70% training and 30% test. So test size, my test size here. So let's just say for the random state, I put like 11, okay? And model decision tree, translate test, and then I predict, and then I print it. It's giving me 89%, which means it's pretty good for me, I think, because for a random state, it's 11, which means it will be divide equally for the testing and the training one. So if I increase to 15, it's going to give me 100%. I have actually tested multiple times with different various data. For example, I test to 20. It's also give me 100, which means this data is quite accurate based on what I actually predicted. Let's say I test like 9, 67, which is not good, because I think it's not too much data to actually to predict the results from it. But actually, technically, these are everything that I have made and finished for. I think I have finished for assignment 2. And I mean, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.